People in the USA like to travel. They visit other states and countries. They travel by car, plane, and train. There are many religions in the USA. People are free to practice their religion. There are churches, mosques, and temples. People in the USA have many friends. They spend time with friends. They talk, play, and have fun together. Children in the USA go to school. They start at kindergarten. They go to elementary school, middle school, and high school. School is important for learning. People in the USA eat 3 main meals. Breakfast is in the morning. Lunch is in the middle of the day. Dinner is in the evening. Snacks are also popular. People in the USA celebrate birthdays. They have parties with friends and family. There are cakes, presents, and games. The USA has many big cities. New York City is very big. Los Angeles is famous for movies. Chicago is known for its architecture. If you enjoyed this story, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video. The USA is a big country. It is in North America. The USA has 50 states. Each state is different. The flag of the USA has stars and stripes. There are 50 stars. Each star is for one state. There are 13 stripes. The stripes are red and white. The capital city of the USA is Washington, D.C. Many important buildings are in Washington, D.C. One important building is the White House. The president lives in the White House. New York City is a big city. Many people live in New York City. The Statue of Liberty is in New York City. The Statue of Liberty is very famous. People in the USA like many kinds of food. They like hamburgers and hot dogs. They also like pizza and ice cream. There are many restaurants in the USA. The USA has 4 seasons. The seasons are spring, summer, fall, and winter. In spring, flowers bloom. In summer, it is hot. In fall, leaves change color. In winter, it snows. People in the USA like sports. They like football, basketball, and baseball. Many people watch sports on TV. Some people play sports with friends. There are many famous places in the USA. One famous place is the Grand Canyon. Another famous place is Disneyland. Many people visit these places. Children in the USA go to school. They learn many things. They learn math, science, and English. They also play with friends at school. People in the USA celebrate holidays. One holiday is Thanksgiving. On Thanksgiving, people eat turkey. Another holiday is the 4th of July. On the 4th of July, people watch fireworks. The USA has many animals. There are bears, eagles, and deer. There are also many fish in the rivers and lakes. People in the USA like music. They listen to pop, rock, and country music. Many famous singers are from the USA. The USA makes many movies. Hollywood is in the USA. Many people watch American movies. Some movies are funny. Some movies are scary. People in the USA use technology. They use computers and smartphones. They use the internet to talk to friends. Many people have cars and drive to work. The USA has many big cities. Some big cities are Los Angeles, Chicago, and Houston. Many people work and live in big cities. The USA has many beautiful places in nature. There are mountains, rivers, and forests. People like to hike and camp in nature. People in the USA like to shop. They go to malls and stores. They buy clothes, food, and toys. There are many big malls in the USA. The weather in the USA is different in each state. Some states are hot. Some states are cold. Some states have a lot of rain. Some states have a lot of snow. Many different people live in the USA. Some people are from other countries. People speak many languages in the USA. The USA is very diverse. The USA has a long history. It became a country in 1776. Many important events happened in the USA. People remember these events. There are many famous people from the USA. Some famous people are actors. Some are musicians. Some are athletes. People all over the world know them. American culture is unique. People celebrate different traditions. They enjoy different foods. They have their own customs and holidays. People in the USA have different daily routines. Some go to work. Some go to school. They spend time with family and friends. They enjoy hobbies and activities. Education is important in the USA. Children go to school for many years. After school, some go to college. They learn many things to get good jobs. People in the USA use many types of transportation. They drive cars. They ride buses and trains. In big cities, some people walk or ride bikes. The USA is known for technology and innovation. Many new inventions come from the USA. People use technology every day in their lives. People in the USA care about the environment. They recycle and try to save energy. There are many national parks to protect nature. The USA has a big economy. People work in many different jobs. There are many businesses and industries. The economy is very important to the country. The USA has many famous landmarks. Mount Rushmore has faces of 4 presidents. The Golden Gate Bridge is in San Francisco. The Alamo is in Texas. These landmarks are very interesting. People in the USA like to read books. There are many famous American writers. Some write novels, and some write poems. Reading is a popular activity. The USA has food from many cultures. You can eat Chinese food, Mexican food, and Italian food. People enjoy trying new foods. There are many festivals and fairs in the USA. People celebrate with music, food, and games. Some festivals are about history, and some are about culture. The American dream is the idea that anyone can be successful. People work hard to achieve their dreams. They believe in freedom and opportunity. Many people in the USA like to help others. They volunteer their time. They help in schools, hospitals, and communities. Volunteering is very important. The USA has many famous inventions. The light bulb, the telephone, and the airplane were invented in the USA. People are very proud of these inventions. People in the USA care about the environment. They recycle and save energy. They protect animals and plants. There are many national parks in the USA. Education is very important in the USA. Children go to school for many years. After school, some go to college. They study many subjects. Many people in the USA have pets. Dogs and cats are the most common pets. People love their pets and take good care of them. There are many holidays in the USA. Christmas and New Year's Day are very popular. People also celebrate Memorial Day and Labor Day. Each holiday has special traditions. People in the USA like to wear different styles of clothes. Fashion changes over time. Some people like casual clothes, and some like formal clothes. People in the USA love the arts. They enjoy music, dance, and theater. Many people visit museums and galleries. The arts are an important part of culture. Safety is important in the USA. People follow rules to stay safe. They wear seat belts in cars. They look both ways before crossing the street. People in the USA like to celebrate. They have parties for birthdays, weddings, and graduations. Celebrations are happy times. English is the main language in the USA. Many people also speak Spanish, Chinese, and other languages. The USA is very diverse. People in the USA live in different types of houses. Some live in apartments, and some live in houses. Some people live in big cities, and some live in small towns. People in the USA wear different types of clothing. They wear jeans, t-shirts, and dresses. People People like to dress comfortably. People in the USA enjoy many recreational activities. They like to hike, swim, and play sports. They also enjoy watching movies and reading books. People in the USA use many ways to communicate. They talk on the phone, send emails, and use social media. Communication is important. The USA has many hospitals and doctors. People go to the doctor when they are sick. Healthcare is important for everyone. People in the USA like entertainment. They watch TV, go to movies, and play video games. There are many fun things to do.